Honestly speaking, I cannot comment at this point of time, but yes, the kind of ground we have, Sopor, especially PDP is connected to youth. And that is the reason that I got a mandate from People's Democratic Party, because People's Democratic Party, undoubtedly there is no shade of doubt about it, that People's Democratic Party believes in the leadership of youth. That is how you have seen during my rallies that how much youth connected to PDP is. You talk about the representation of North. Where is the representation of North at this point of time? It's a big zero. हमारे नौजवानों को भड़काया गया. आप प्रेशर कुकर करो. If I would have told this thing, jail का बदला वोट से, to God knows to which destination we would have been taken. I mean, you have to understand the situation at this point of time, and the situation is not normal. It is not favorable, because एक बंदा आ रहा है आज तिहाड़ जेल से NIA से बेल लेके, आज साउथ पे अटैक कर रहा है, परसों से नॉर्थ पे अटैक कर लिया. तो लोगों को समझ है इस बात की कि अगर उसको इससे पहले नहीं छोड़ा जाता था, द पर्सन हु इज इन्वॉल्व इन टेरर फंडिंग, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई ही इज इन्वॉल्व. If he is involved, then there is a process. There is a process by the name of judiciary. Judiciary is the only thing which will help him out. It was not the vote. I mean, it was not the vote. ये वोट के जरिए वो नहीं निकल सकता था. Elections, he created a perception. He created a different perception. जेल का बदला वोट से, तिहाड़ का बदला वोट से. But at this point of time, people know whom to vote, who should be our representative. If he is representing North Kashmir, have he taken the consent of the people of North Kashmir that I am going to campaign in South? He is hungry for the power. इक़्तिदार की लड़ाई है उसको. He is hungry for power. He made us fool. He made me fool. He made fool to me. He made you fool as well, because you belong to this place. If he was representing North Kashmir, tell me one thing, मुझे आप खुदारा बता दो, उसको साउथ में जाने की क्या कंपनी करने की जरूरत है? अपने लड़कों को छुड़ा दे. आज वो खुद तो निकल गया. उन नौजवानों की बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा है जो इस वक्त तिहाड़ जेल में है, जो इस वक्त बारामूला में के कितने लड़के इस वक्त कुपवारा जेल में पड़े हुए हैं? अबरार साहब तो इससे पहले बोलता था ऐसे मेरे बाप को वोट डाल दो, वो जेल से निकल जाएगा. It was a state. It was Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh used to be our region. But unfortunately, after abrogation of Article 370, this state got divided into 3 different regions. Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Without the consent of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, without the consent of the Constituent Assembly. So, अगर ये तानाशाही नहीं है, तो if you are telling me that the kind of development after abrogation of Article 370 happened in Sopor, I am sorry to say, my brother, never happened. Because this is the first town I have seen in my life in India. This is the first town where you have seen big stones in the middle of the roads. Is this development you are talking about? See your healthcare system. It is a big zero. Is this development you are talking about after abrogation of Article 370? See your administrative offices, where our officers used to sit. Is this development you are talking about? Every infrastructure here in Sopor is in complete shambles after abrogation of Article 370. If you are telling me that this is development, I am sorry to say this is not the development which happened after abrogation of Article 370. But of course, yes, roads got developed. Roads got developed. Fact is fact. You cannot deny the fact. People have expectations. When I was councillor, people used to have a lot of expectations on me. Though I was not MLA, I was not minister. But of course, yes, I was a councillor, and I was in the power for 9 months only. Then after you know what the situation arose here, when Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha came to Sopor, and I gave 6 resignations in front of him. Why I gave 6 resignations in front of him? There was a special reason. We used to be in 3-tier democratic setup. We used to be in this, Panchayati Raj institution, where I found myself, without my basic rights, without my fundamental rights. My fundamental rights got snatched. Your fundamental rights got snatched. See, if you remember 1975, what happened in 1975? There was a special accord between Sheikh Abdullah and this Indra, right? And what happened after that? They made a special agreement, Congress and National Conference. And what they did to our state, they used people like anything. we have given 3 generations. One generation is undoubtedly in graveyards. Another generation, your another generation is in jails like Tihar, Kot Balwal, Kupara jail, this Rajasthan jail, and the third generation, unfortunately, is in depression, is in stress. So, is this development you are talking about, which happened after abolition of Article 37? If people will vote me, see, youth have expectations on me. I came in the elections because of youth. Because I saw the pain, the kind of feeling people, the kind of pain, the kind of feelings youth have. Youth got depressed, youth got stressed. Thereby, मेरे लड़के इस वक्त, मेरे नौजवान दोस्त इस वक्त PhD करके सड़कों पे दरबदर हैं. So I have pain for that. I have pain for them. I have a very big plan. I have a very good manifesto. So if I'll be elected as an MLA for Sopore constituency, I'll sit in my constituency. I'll not go Srinagar. I'll not go anywhere. I can tomorrow if I'll go to assembly, whatever the grievances of Sopore will be, it will be 100% redressed.